So for today's video, we're actually going to show you how to make carbon dioxide and how that inflates the balloon.
Yeah, we are.
So all you need for this is I did a half a cup of vinegar in a bottle, and then I did a little less than 2 tablespoons of that is baking soda in a balloon. Simple household ingredients, and we're going to show you how it combines to make carbon dioxide and in turn inflate a balloon.
Here we go.
Okay. So first, what we're gonna have you do is put the bottom of the balloon, don't get any of the actual baking soda in it, over the top of the bottle. Good. And then what you're gonna do next is you're gonna flip it over to combine them. And as you can see, it starts to inflate the balloon. Now the reason why it does this is when you mix the vinegar with the baking soda, it turns into, like I said, carbon dioxide. It's just like if you have pop or soda or anything like that, it gets really bubbly and really fizzy. That's pretty much what it did here. Last time we did it, we let it go a little bit too fast and the bottle ended up falling over. So suggestion, that actually worked very well to hold on to it while it does it. But it inflated the balloon. And that's how you create carbon dioxide. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.